Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, before I go, I'm gonna read one more chapter of Captain Awesome to the Rescue. Okay, so quick brief. Remember, Eugene? Yep. So early in the morning. Sorry, Eugene moved to a new town, had to start a new school. He's got some villains that he pretends to fight. Remember, what's her name with the pink bows? Oh, his teacher, remember, he calls her Miss Beastly as one of the villains. And Stinky, was it? Sorry, I'm see every, oh, Queen Stinky Pants, remember, that's his sister, Queen Stinky Pants. And then what is that girl with the bow? Trying to look at that really quickly. Gee, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, Little Miss Stinky Pinky. I should have remembered that one. Little Miss Stinky Pinky, remember? Okay, and then so he gets to class, and remember what, and then his teacher, to try to make him feel welcome, what does she ask him to do? Do you guys remember? To take care of the classroom pet. Do you remember what kind of pet he is? That's right, he's a hamster, and his name is Turbo. And Meredith, the Stinky Pinky girl, is very upset about that because it was supposed to be her turn, right? So that's really now made her even more mad. Okay, so now chapter 5, lunchtime surprise. Ooh, hope that's not what your lunch food looks like. There was one thing about Sunnyview that was the same as Eugene's old school. He could spell the mystery meatloaf surprise long before he saw it. Eugene got his lunch and went to find a seat. There was a sinking feeling in his stomach, and it wasn't from the smell of the mystery meatloaf surprise. It was that horrible feeling that all new kids get, where to sit in the cafeteria. Meredith and her friends sat at one table. No chance Eugene would sit with them. There was an open seat next to Mike Flinch, but he smelled like Eugene's grandpa, who spent most of his time in his backyard digging for lost pirate treasure. "Hey, Eugene, yo, over here!" Charlie Thomas Jones called out. Charlie was the one boy who didn't laugh when Meredith Mooney was teasing Eugene. Eugene put down his tray and sat. Charlie brought his own lunch. He had 2 cans of squirt cheese and stack of crackers. He squirted little cheese mountains on top of each cracker. "You sure do like cheese." Yes, his name is Charlie, remember? Charlie. Eugene commented, "It's better than that stuff." Charlie pointed at the rectangle on Eugene's tray. "You're eating the mystery meatloaf surprise?" If a supervillain ever created a blob of gooey garbage to rob Eugene of his Captain Awesome powers, it would probably look a lot like the grayish-brown meat thing sitting on Eugene's tray. "What's the surprise?" Eugene asked. "You'll find out," Charlie said. "You must have an iron stomach stronger than Super Dude to eat that stuff." "Super Dude?" Eugene was shocked. "You know who Super Dude is?" "I have every one of his comic books," Charlie proudly said. "I've also got a Super Dude action figure." Oh, so they're finding things that they have in common. I see a friendship coming. "On my dresser and his talking Super Dude watch." Charlie pressed a button on his watch. "Danger is my middle name," the watch announced. "Super Dude's my most favorite superhero ever." Eugene liked Charlie, but he wasn't sure if it was a good idea to tell him about his secret identity as Captain Awesome just yet. Eugene took a bite of the meatloaf and made a yuck face. "Surprise!" Charlie laughed. Eugene laughed, then gagged. He spit out his bite of mystery meatloaf surprise and hid it under a pile of corn. At least he thought it was corn. All right, that's gonna stop us for right now. All right, snack time's over. get your library books, head up to the school. Come get your stuff, right? Okay, bye, guys.